Hi, I welcome back, and I'm going to teach you in the next 5 minutes a brilliant pose, right? For getting super energized in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you'll get super energized. You can feel the effect of it. Before that, I'm going to share my personal journal, right? The time is about 10 o'clock now, and I woke up at 4:15 in the morning and had my own set of work to do at home. Little bit of office, little bit of other things, and then music. Love practicing music in the morning as well, and in general, right? It's just calm, quiet, happy time. And then 6 o'clock, everybody was here for yoga, so I performed yoga with all of you. I enjoyed, and now it's about 10 o'clock. The kids' breakfast is done, and they're ready, and I feel tired. And what is this word called tired? How does it feel when you're tired? There is a little bit of soreness in your back, slightly your shoulders are tired, and you feel like you can drink a little bit more water. And then what happens after you're tired, right? What do you do when you're tired? You try to find a soft sofa somewhere and you want to sit, so you feel slightly better, right? This happens just not in the morning, even after lunch, in the day. Suddenly, a wave of tiredness will come. And what is this tiredness? It's asking you to do something to pamper yourself. It is asking you to pamper yourself so that you feel energized for doing supposedly more things. Supposedly. If you pamper, the body is telling you, pamper now, then I will give you some good things later. That is what your body is telling you, right? So now, how are you going to play this game with the body? It's a beautiful game, right? That is why I told you that before I do this yoga pose, I'm going to share my personal journal. When you feel tired like this, when your body is saying, go find that soft bed in the middle of the day, sit quietly, see how soft it is. Take the pillow and gently have it against you, and say, maybe I can just rest for some time, and then when I wake up the world will be a different world, and my work, I will perceive the work a little differently. You have to log in. It's Monday morning, right? You have to log into work. There are many mails waiting for you, and your mind is tricking for you even in the middle of the day, right? There are some deadlines, and it's tricking you that do something to pamper yourselves. Take that coffee, hot coffee, and drink and something, coke. Think about some special dish, or other fancy things, right? So now, what is the connection between your tiredness that I'm talking about here and all the list of things that you want to pamper yourselves? Let me restrict it to just tiredness, this pose itself, right? When you are tired, when you want to sit down on that sofa, ask yourself, is my leg tired, my back tired, my shoulders tired, and do this magical pose called Savasana. So Savasana, you just have a mat or some thin layer on the ground. It is not bed. Never try Savasana in bed. It will distract you from what that real beauty is. Right? How do you do Savasana? You just lie down on your back, legs flat, relaxed, and not a single movement in the whole leg, body, fingers. Lift up your chin so you feel more air going in and out. You're not restricting with a bend. Tilt up, palms open to the sky, both the palms. And then I'm going to set myself a timer for 1 minute only. And then I'm going to open my eyes. And I'm going to show how that pose is going to feel for you. Palms open to the sky, chin up, and just relax for a minute. Pretend that you cannot even move for 1 second. No movement at all. No finger movements. Nothing. Absolutely like a corpse. Slowly, after a minute or 2 minutes, open your eyes, turn towards your left hand, gently get up. Right? So, this just doing nothing for 1 minute, it feels so energized now. The body is so relaxed, and I'm able to now, feel like I've sat down on the couch for 1,000 times. Even that will hurt your back only, and you'll feel like putting legs crisscross your legs. You'll have different poses, right? You'll put pillow under your neck, under your cheek, this, that, resting. Nothing is resting. Absolutely, do not move and just lie down, and that is the magic of savasana. And 1 minute, 2 minutes, you just have to just focus on your breath. Don't consciously doze off, just rest without movement, focus on not moving at all, and then that will naturally kind of get you to slight sleep at the end. And then that's okay, that's just 1 minute or 2 minutes, right? You just come back again, you feel like, oh my god, I've slept for hours together. That energy you'll have. And this joy, if you can feel it, right, of lifting your neck up and lying down in that savasana pose, there is a huge magic hidden there. There is a special thing in your bed called a pillow, a bulky thing. Somebody will say only thin one, somebody will say like this, right? That pillow, you'll slowly take it away from your life and throw it away. It's been few months now, and your amount of sleep that you can have without a pillow is at least 2 times, 3 times with the pillow. So you're not able to naturally breathe fine, there's no back pain at all, and you will enjoy. All you need is a thin layer of cloth, that's it. It's very hard when there is a bed there at home, huge bed and a pillow. You cannot go and suddenly take it off. I had an option of just doing that for one of my guest room beds, so I just lifted it off, used the cot to lie down with a thick blanket for just few days, and I saw that my quality of sleep was like boom. Slept at 10:30, woke up at 4 sharp, and really energized. I did not know anything at all. My kids will say, start counting down for dada, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. By 4 I would have slept. And the next thing I remember is only 4 o'clock in the morning. How amazing is that? We will get there slowly, but before that, this video is mainly for savasana. Practicing the beauty of savasana during the times when you're tired. The day when there is a trigger, hey, can we just take one sip of coffee? It is okay. Can we pamper ourselves with this, that, right? At that time, when you sense the tiredness, just come down and just lie down for 1 minute and see the magic for yourself. And I can't wait to hear from you all how it feels, or if it's all an exaggerated BS. Anyways, this is just delightful. I really want to conclude that savasana is one of the most awesome things I've learned in yoga, and I wanted to share that joy with you. Thank you so much.